very good evening from London. As we move through the latter part of today's trading day, there is very little in terms of market events, but so focus will turn to the 10-year note auction out of the US for $24 billion. As we've gone through the European equity cash flows, US equities have just picked up pace to the upside, putting additional pressure on the 10-year note futures, which have seen some downside post the Fed buyback in the long end of the curve today, and we traded around these session lows as we went through the European close, building in a concessionary yield for the auction today. The last auction for the US 10s came in with a record low yield. We were expected to see a slightly higher yield today, but still it's relatively attractive compared to the European peers such as the 10-year German government bond future, and also we are expecting some safe haven flows into the US 10s with some touted demand expected from Asian investors and also US domestic dealers looking to buy into the 10-year offering today. Otherwise, we have generally got a 5 auction average bid to cover of the 3.07 mark, and this is quite a solid bid to cover. We're looking for a figure around the 3 mark for the bid to cover in today's auction. Otherwise, we could see some pressure coming in additionally to the 10-year note futures if we do see some weakened demand. Also worth noting, we have the 30-year note auction out of the US tomorrow. That will be for approximately $16 billion, so something to keep in mind also. As we move through the latter part of the US session and post the 10-year notes, there again is very little in terms of market moving data or information left. We're looking out for News Corp's report after the closing bell in the equity space. That's enough from me. Hope you have a good rest of your trading day, and we'll join you with a market wrap later on. Thank you.